first graders. Today you will be writing your opinion on what you think the best lunch is. Now, there are so many options that you could eat for lunch. Even if you have more than one favorite, I want you to just pick one for today. Okay? This will be a brain stretcher, so I want you to try to do it on your own. I am going to give you the first sentence of the sentence frame, and then I want you to try to do the rest on your own. So let's talk about the best lunch. Now, you eat lunch hopefully every single day. I know we've had so many different things when in the cafeteria at school. Had like pizza or tacos or salads. Let's look at some pictures of some lunch. So here we got a hot dog. Sounds pretty good to me. Maybe you like a hamburger better than a hot dog. Maybe that's something you want to write about. Maybe your favorite lunch is pizza. We had pizza quite often at school. Or maybe you like tacos. Maybe sandwiches. Now, there's lots of different kinds of sandwiches. Maybe you want to say peanut butter sandwich. Maybe you want to say turkey sandwich. Or maybe just any sandwich. Or maybe your favorite lunch is a salad. Now, these are just some options. You get to write about whatever you want. Let's talk about what you have for writing. So, your first sentence is, in my opinion, I think, and then you're going to write your favorite food. I think hot dogs are the best lunch. I think salad is the best lunch. I think tacos are the best lunch. Whatever you want to write about, okay? Make sure that you have a capital letter at the beginning. Make sure you have finger spaces in between each word. Make sure you have a period at the end. Then you need to write two feeling sentences. Feeling sentence number one, period at the end. Feeling sentence number two. Those are your two reasons why you think that this is the best lunch food. Then you need to have a conclusion. State your opinion again. This is why I think this is the best. Period at the end. Make sure that it's your best writing. The only sentence frame you get today is the first one, which is, in my opinion, I think. You guys are going to do awesome, and I can't wait to read about what you wrote.